Out right now. What's wrong, girl? You want out? Huh? What's wrong? I don't have it cleaned up yet. We still have all this junk from me cleaning your enclosure. I gotta clean up the floor before I let you out. You want out? Hmm? Come over here for a minute and ignore. She was scratching at it and what's wrong? You want out? I can't stand for animals to beg to come out and have no way to get out. They were in the wild or something, they could come out when they wanted to. Come on. Come on. Come on. Is this what you want? Is this what you want, pretty girl? Look at this. Here's the sun. Look at this. Pretty girl. Look at this pretty girl. Isn't she gorgeous? Isn't she gorgeous? Now the sun's shining finally. She can sit in the window with the sun shining, huh? What do you think? Oh, that sun feels so nice. Yeah, if they were wild, they could come out on their own. Being in a cage, they don't get to do that, and I don't think it's fair. So if they ever beg to come out like she just did, any of them, the snakes or anything, I'll let them out.